Hi, I'm Natasha and I co-own Crafty Arts.
Hi, my name's Jay Nakati. I am one of the owners of Crafty Arts. We're a small family-based business that has been running for 31 years. My parents started the business and it was traditionally a shop-based business.
Now we sell on multiple different platforms like Amazon and eBay.
The types of products we sell is like art materials, craft products, jigsaw puzzles.
Anything creative, we pretty much sell it. Running an e-commerce business, a lot of data is created, which is a great problem to have, but just being able to use and understand that data.
Traditionally, all e-commerce platforms and different providers give you access to that data, but they just don't do anything that smart with it. So the problem with how we was doing things before ClicData, everything was based in Excel. These weren't small Excel sheets, these were massive.
Because the data was so large, so vast, it was crashing all the time. Because with 10,000 lines, with multiple different sales coming through, we weren't able to put it in one place.
The good thing with ClicData is they've got a API integrator, so we was able to integrate with our website, our warehouse software, and several other software to pull in data.
So having live data and having the APIs to integrate into not just our data, but also the other different platforms that we're using for our business just made it so much simpler. So we spent a lot of time trying to work out what was the best platform for us.
From the very simple ones, which were very pretty, but they were too limited into what we wanted to do, where ClicData seemed to be the happy medium. It's got endless possibilities and it looks like achievable for our team to use.
But with the likes of ClicData, we was able to have a piece of software that we can use, that we can evolve with, and also that we can have the support when needed. The benefits that we found with ClicData was that we needed the support right at the beginning. We had a lot of data and we have an amazing team that's been able to create these massive data sheets in Excel, but being able to convert that into the ClicData, we needed the support, we needed the hand-holding and the telephone calls, etc., to get us to the next level quickly rather than wasting time on the little things. So that was a really big help for us. The second would be that it's live, that the data is live, that we're able to constantly check the data and know that it's constantly changing as the orders are changing and the stocks are decreasing and the sales are changing. So it's enabling us to grow as a business more efficiently.